Okay, so this is what we started with. Bunch of these cutoffs of red oak I salvaged from my parents' place. They were planed down, some of them better than others, and then I chopped them down to the dimensions I needed. So stacked a bunch of them together, glued them together, and then I got a block like so, okay? And I had to figure out how I would get my grain to point away from the center. So here's the template. Chopped, ran a miter this way on the table saw. Then that gave me one of these eighths. Then ran a miter this way on the table saw. Gave me another eighth. And then it left me with a quarter piece. And wash, rinse, repeat. Glue the eighths together, glue the quarters together, then glued the halves together. Now we're here, and eventually this will be a circle, a 20-inch circle, we hope. I might end up with 19 and a half, but that's okay. All right, cool, thanks.